I got 1 week here with vision experts and I was struggling only with 2 marks in writing, but I was stuck at 77 previously. And now I practiced a whole week with you guys, with the teachers at Vishal sir. That worked for me and now I got 90 overall,
Yes.
19 writing as well.
But if you're new to our channel and you have not subscribed, make sure that you do that, because we are going to come up with lot of updated content for PTE students, for PTE aspirants, especially the new material. So if you have not subscribed, this is the time to do it now. Before we move on, if you have any questions like these ones, you can put it in the comment section. And I personally try to reply every single comment. So don't feel shy. You can put your doubt in the comment section and I'll try to reply you as soon as possible. We have Anusha Shafi over here. She smashed with 90 overall. Yes, with 89, I guess that's 9 each. With 19 writing because she was struggling in writing. Anusha, I just want to know, how did you do it just in a week's span of time?
Yes, I started in a week. I got 1 week here with vision experts and I was struggling only with 2 marks in writing, but I was stuck at 77 previously. And now I practiced a whole week with you guys, with the teachers at Vishal sir. So it gives me the access to a new template, writing template specifically for essay and for SST. That works for me and I practiced on that specifically according to how to use what keywords, what phrases, and what to include, what not to include, and my corrections. So that worked for me and now I got 90 overall,
Yes.
19 writing as well. So that's really
I think what has happened over here is that we were able to focus on those weak areas, right, to start with. That we didn't have to do the entire thing right from the scratch. I think that's really important. Sometimes what you need is just need someone to guide you to the right path, right? So when we change the templates, right, did you feel that you could get 90 from 77 to 19 just matter of days?
No, I didn't even believe that. I think it again will not work. Or I heard that only keyword templates are not working. These are outdated. You need to put at least 5 sentences, complete long sentences on your own. But when previously I did, it makes so much grammatical errors, I guess. And that's the reason why you're stuck with only 2 marks, like 77 and 79 is the 8 band.
Right.
So that's maybe the reason, but when I use the template, that really works for me.
Right.
I don't know of like the ones that say that AI didn't recognize the keywords essay or the phrases essay, but it works.
Correct.
It is working currently.
Yes. So guys, this is really important that when you're actually giving the exam, you need to keep one thing in your mind, that you need to use the most updated essay template, but don't believe in the myths that the templates are not working. We have live example over here. She got perfect 90, right, with the updated templates. But it's how you actually present the question, how you actually answer the statement in the exam, that really makes a difference. And the template itself really helps you to structure everything precisely, right? And then it fulfills all the requirements of the essay, especially when it comes to essay, all the requirements of the essay scoring. So once you fulfill all the requirements one by one, such as written discourse, linguistic range, because I remember when she came, she was telling me that her written discourse and linguistic range were not getting marked, right? And when we changed the template, and she was getting perfect 50. Now that's what you need to do. You need to make sure that you check your templates and see whether it is giving you full marks and it is fulfilling all the requirements. But on top of that, I also want to ask Anusha over here, how was her overall feedback? How was her overall experience studying over here? Were the teachers cooperative? Were the timing was flexible?
Yes, exactly. The teachers were so cooperative. Even when you complete your task and you don't call them to check it, they themselves come to you and ask if it is checked or not checked by any supervisor. So they check your tasks, they highlight your errors, that you made mistake over here, this is the grammatical error, this is the template error, and where to put the full stop, where not to. So every guidance related to this works really well for the students, and I think this is the great platform to learn and proceed on and score your desired scores.
Thank you so much for the kind words, and this is really inspirational story, because she was really packed with her day-to-day life, but she could get 1 to 2 hours. And whenever she could, she used to just come here and then practice and get the feedback. So guys, even if you don't have enough time, don't worry, take this as an inspiration. Practice, work on the areas where you're actually lacking, because that's really gonna help you to boost up your marks. That's really gonna help you to speed up the whole process. And that's what we did with Anusha, and then she finally got her desired score. So let's congratulate her once again.
Thank you.
All the best for future endeavors, Anusha.
Thank you so much for your help, sir. Thank you.